Welcome, Year 9, to the GCSE Pathways Assembly. This assembly will show you how geography can open doors. Now, you might be sitting there and thinking, why does geography matter? There are a number of different reasons for this. One, our world is constantly changing, and therefore it is vital that we equip ourselves with the knowledge necessary to watch it change. Secondly, geography is always in the news. From climate change to the increasing price of food, these will all link to topics that we study at GCSEs. Thirdly, it promotes questions like those that you can see on the screen, such as what will happen to the Earth in the future? How can we make our world better? This is an essential way of us gaining knowledge and ensuring that in the future we look after our world. Another reason that you should study geography is that it marries the science and the arts beautifully together. Geography is such a broad subject that covers both science and the arts. And therefore, if you're one of those students that is not sure what they want to do post 16, geography is a great option for you because it keeps all of those doors wide open. Another reason geography is an important GCSE is that you will learn a vital number of really key skills, such as being a good communicator on field trips, being able to take information and form an opinion, as well as interpreting different sets of data to form conclusions. All of these skills you learn in geography are desired by colleges and employers. So you might be sitting there thinking, well, what do we actually study? The GCSE is divided into physical and human geography. Under physical geography, we study tectonics, hurricanes, ecosystems, rivers, and coasts. And we look at countries, New Zealand, Nepal, Malaysia, and the UK. Within human geography, we look at the urban environment, how countries' economies grow, and how we as humans are managing our resources. We also look at countries such as cities such as Rio de Janeiro and countries such as Kenya. Now, this I would argue is the most important bit. A vital part of geography is that we attend field trips. During your GCSEs, you will go on 2 field trips. One to the coast at Swanage, and the second is to London Docklands. In addition to this, the geography department puts on a range of extracurricular experiences, from extra field trips to university lectures. Studying GCSE geography allows you to have these options. You will be assessed through 3 papers, one on physical, one on human, and the third one is about this fieldwork experience. Now, you don't just have to take our word for it. This is what some of our students say. Cushy in Year 11 says, I like geography because it allows you to learn about different cultures and makes you a more open-minded person. It also is very informative and we learn about ongoing issues around the world and talk about solutions that can help tackle these challenges. Overall, geography has helped me see into different perspectives of the world and has allowed me to learn about different lifestyles from all around the world. And this is what Yusra, another Year 11, said. I will leave it on the slide for you to read through. It can be said that geography can lead into a number of different jobs. On the board, there is a list of different jobs that you could do if you study geography at GCSE and go on to study it at A level, from being a lawyer to environmental scientist, even social work. Geography can open doors everywhere. If you are still interested, I would direct you to watch this video that covers some of the important factors of why everyone should study geography. Now, for many of you, picking GCSE geography is going to be the best decision you ever make. But like I say every year, it is vital that you pick something that you enjoy. Your GCSEs are a long 2 years and you need to put in a lot of effort. So it is vital that you pick something that you find interesting. I hope that many of you choose GCSE geography. If you have any further questions, I would direct you to speak to any of your geography teachers. They are the best people to answer what it is like to do the GCSE.